What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video of RC. It just recently finished raining for after non-stop rain for 48 hours. So now I'm gonna clean up the tires, or clean up just by driving it through, not maybe the grass, but through the water everywhere. You can still see the brick I left in my last RC video. I can drift right here. So let's get started, and let's get started. I want to see how this does in the rain, because it has no traction on the tires. It still has charge from last video. It's down here. Oh, nah, no grip. Trying to get grip, but it's not doing anything. And it goes. No. Ugh. You hear the cars driving by. Okay. Ow. Oh, it'd be cool if I can get my other one working. Then going up the hill. But the whole backyard, this is all flooded. Hear me? Yeah, I shouldn't want to read this again, because this is my only car that works. Don't do this at home. No. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, that was me. Okay guys, that'll be it for this video. That's really short because I just wanted to drive around my car in the rain. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.